Dear student, good morning all of you. Hope you all are fine. And again we are here together after a week to learn the rest of the part of our Koli dance. And we were learning a folk dance that is named Koli dance under the project of Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat. Yes, we were learning a folk dance of the Konkan region, that is Goa, and the name of the dance is Koli dance, the dance of fishermen. And this was a dance we were learning under the project of CBSE named Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat. So through this learning, we have integrated both the subject, that is dance and social science, and we have integrated both the subject very well, and because we are all get connected to each other. So without taking much time, we would like to begin our Koli dance. So let's begin.
मी हाय कोली सोरील्या डोली मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हानलन गोली ग चल जाऊ बाजारी मी हाय कोली सोरील्या डोली मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हानलन गोली ग चल जाऊ बाजारी लोकांच्या नजरा पडतील गो तुझ्यावरी चला ग पारू करतेस यो नखरा चल जाऊ बाजारी बेसावच्या बाजारी लोकांच्या नजरा पडतील गो तुझ्यावरी चला ग पारू करतेस यो नखरा चल जाऊ बाजारी चल ग पारू आयली ही हिरो कर बाजारची तयारी निसर्गाची टोपली माथ्यावर ठेवून बाजारी
Let's recall back the portion we have learned previous week. I hope you remember and you have done your practice. So with the music, I will be doing the previous one also and a little extended one till the end. Then I will be going for detailed movement. Okay? So let's begin with the music. this is the entire dance that I have danced right now. And you must have noticed there are few more new steps I have added to this, and the entire dance is complete. So I would like to go for the new movements that I have taught, and I would like to let you know that how many movements are there for each sentences. Like I'm doing a little bit tough movement, that is, though I have taught you previous week also, and again I'm teaching you this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The thing is not so tough, but the tough is the music little bit faster, because the Goan people are like this. In Goa, you know that a big carnival also there. It's a mixture of different kind of culture, because if you go the history behind this Goa and Goa, so you'll find that Portuguese, they have come and they have settled over there. So quite obvious that it's a blending of different kind of culture has blended. Again, it has integrated. The same way, music is also having a westernized effect. So the music is little faster, and thus the steps are little fast. So it may little difficult for you, but I don't think so. But the time and again you will be watching and you will be practicing, you can do it. So that was a step that I wanted to make you learn more. So that is the movement that is little tricky and the tough. So that I'm asking you time and again that do it very nicely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you must have noticed 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a very basic step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again this right side, left, right, left, right. So this is a 4 count step. And then after this part is over, this rowing one. Again the another movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. Row, 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 row. Twice I'll be rowing here. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'll be rowing in the next opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the movement to be done twice. Then again it comes here. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and jump. After jump, again the first movement, Mi Hai Koli, Surila Doli, Mumbai Chakina Ri. This part is same like first movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then new movement starts. You need to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you need to cross it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a beautiful movement. Again I am showing you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another one, Mi Hai Koli. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done, and then twice it goes. The previous movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And your dance is almost over. And you got the fishes. So basket is there. Already you have kept the basket, and you have to lift up the basket right now. So 1, 2, and then you jump and sit, take your basket above your head and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and the previous movement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep your basket here on your knee and then take the fish inside. Show this. That's the end of your dance. So this is very less part was left. The entire thing you have already learned. So again, let's do with me from the beginning again. So before that, lifting up from the basket, I'm showing you again. Before lifting up this basket, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, done. And this 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basket is here, and from there you are showing the fish. So again I'll be doing with the entire, it's a performance. You can think that you can take it as a performance, so that you'll be learning how to perform this dance. See, during this dance you must have noticed it's a amount of energy you need, and you are happy. You are happy that you must have seen that while I was dancing, I was enjoying this entire dance and the entire music. The same way I wish that you also learn and you also do. So I'll be doing right now with the music. Take cover your basket. So I have done a little bit change that I have raised up. During previous performance, I have raised my right leg, but you all need to raise your left leg, and on the left leg you will be keeping your basket, and from the basket we will be showing this. So that's the end of the dance. So you have already seen how much energy this is required for the dance. So I am expecting that it's a beautiful dance, and I am expecting that you will be learning this dance very nicely. And there are few of the instructions I have that I will be sharing with you, and I wish that you must follow that instruction. So let's come. So we have completed our entire dance, that is Koli dance, and we have done under the project of Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat, and this is a kind of integrated learning. And again I would like to mention here what is integration call is. It's a unity when we are integrating two of the subjects, that is social science and the dance. So here we have learned social science, we could learn the dance through the social science, and through the social science we have learned the dance. So we have come to know many of the aspects of two other states that is being integrated to each other, that is Goa and Jharkhand. We are expected to know about our own state, so as well as we need to know our other states also, that is Goa. So while doing this dance, we have learned so many things, and now the instructions are for you. So you have gone through the instructions, and again I would like to mention here the instructions that as we have completed our dance, so this is expected that you will learn this dance at your best of the possible way, and then you will be looking forward the attire they wear and the accessories they used to carry. Though I have mentioned here that for this dance you will be taking only a single prop, that is a fishing basket or a basket, and moreover you will do the final and foremost thing that you need to do after having a good rehearsal of this dance. Then you will make a video of your own performance and you keep it with you, and I may ask anytime for your project work or your assessment. So it's my honest request, children, you just prepare this dance of your own self. So at the very end, before I conclude this session of learning, this is a beautiful dance. It's an energizing dance. So while practicing this, you can boost up your energy. So stay healthy, stay safe, keep practicing. Till then, bye bye.